are starting on our tile backsplash in our kitchen, and we're going to do it ourselves with the help of my brother, which is gonna be fun. And if you guys missed it, we just moved into a new condo, and I show like our place and talk about all of the projects that we're gonna do in my last video. But I'm just getting ready a little bit. I need to go to the grocery store because we have no food. And then I'm gonna show the whole tile process and stuff. It's gonna be a fun week. This Ilia Skin Tint is one of my favorite makeup products. It makes such a difference, but it still looks like your skin, which I love.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
Gas is literally my least favorite thing ever to do. I just got home and the boys are at work-ish. And I'm gonna unload all these groceries. Literally spent $200 at the grocery store and got so many yummy things. But I'm so excited. It already looks so good. I love the like pearl color. Yay.
Shocked.
Gus is trying to help, but this is a construction area. No little kids allowed.
Yeah,
sorry.
back down.
Oh, he's hissing.
Gosh, he's such a
He
kid.
is so hateful when Landon is here. He like literally despises Landon. It's so tough. I have to learn how to use a tile saw because Joey's going to work tomorrow and I'm gonna be the one doing this and I'm scared.
And you're gonna want to go on the outside of it.
So like,
Just make sure, see how you weren't, your knot's touching. And then careful of your fingers.
okay.
So this blade doesn't.
Baby, it's just sweet. Your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Gus is such a little puppy at this window and I love it. He's so cute.
Usually siding nails.
Right?
Yep.
Like cut the line off.
Yep. Hug the junk side.
This is what we got done today and it looks so good. I love it. We went and saw this tile at Home Depot after I'd already seen it online and I thought I hated it, but then I just took a chance on it because I loved the way that all the review photos looked and it had really good reviews and I really like it. It has like a shimmery pearl iridescent vibe.
Damn, I'm so good at tile.
to it. My contractor, aka my brother,
Yep.
who's single by the way.
Sure am.
Anyway, I just think it looks really good. It's just different than Subway tile, not as boring, but still I think will be really timeless and classic, which is what we were going for. Oh, this is good.
What are these?
Oh, no, not a fan. Good morning, it is Monday, and Joey went to work this morning, but Landon and I are going to hopefully finish the tile. We're still missing a box of it, which is super annoying. I ordered it from Wayfair because it was gonna come faster than Home Depot, and apparently that is not true. I got all the other boxes like literally a week and a half ago, but whatever, hopefully it comes soon. And right now, I didn't feel like washing my hair. It's like not that dirty. So I'm gonna do a slick bun, kind of like what I did yesterday, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it because I've been doing slick buns forever, but I feel like this is one of the best products. It's the Day 3-in-1 styling cream. And I will just put like that much on my fingers. And I did the same thing yesterday and it didn't even make my hair oily, which is really nice. And then just put it where I need the slickness. Use a bristle brush. I used to just use hairspray, but this is so much better and I just feel like it gets it way more slicked. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm literally just gonna be doing work today, but I would just do it in a pony first. And then I'm going to separate it and basically tie it in a knot. Just go like that, and then I just twist these with another ponytail. I'm gonna use some bobby pins to just not make it so weird. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's just slightly messier than if you were to just do a twist, which I kind of like. Spritz of hairspray. While we're in my bathroom, I wanted to show you guys some of my organization I've done so far. Organization is not something that comes naturally to me, so I've been trying to be better, but I got these little turn acrylic Lazy Susan type things for my products, and then I also have one on Joey's side. And then these little drawers have been amazing. Could still be better, but I'm proud of myself for at least having an improvement from my last place. I will link everything on my Amazon storefront, which will be in the caption description. This is my new workspace, which I really appreciate because I can see the mountains and I'm in the sun. It's gonna be much warmer. Got some Zach Bryan playing. Look how good it already looks. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, scared. The progress. Only have that little section left. Hopefully we have enough tile. He keeps wanting to be involved in the process, but then obviously despises Landon. Okay, Gus, this is a construction zone, okay? We're trying to calculate how much more tile we need because I ordered 5 boxes and 1 box just has never come, but I think we're literally gonna have the most perfect amount, which is crazy. So literally crazy. So we'll let you guys know if we do, or if we're gonna have to scramble. How annoying would it be to use like 3 tiles from a box?
Yeah, that would suck.
But I think this might be perfect, so.
We're hopeful.
We're hopeful, we're optimistic.
Only 2 extra tiles, last piece.
I'm so happy.
Beautiful.
Sick. And now we need grout. Yay. Secured the grout. We just had to take Joey something to work, but he wasn't there. He was on a fire. Thought he would be done by the time we got there. And now we're at IKEA for fun. Landon's never been, so
Research.
we're just doing some research and
See how much better my furniture is, basically.
literally. And I don't even know if I'll buy anything, but if I do, you guys will see it. After you. Are you so excited? Disneyland. He's in his element. Testing every piece of furniture for durability. I'm honestly really impressed with myself for only buying little shoe mats for our doors. So, that's a win.
All
I made dinner for Landon and I. He's been watching woodworking videos for the past like 2.5 hours. They're pretty entertaining, but I'm over it. I'm gonna put on a show so we can eat our dinner. And we were discussing what kind of dining table I will eventually get. All of Landon's stuff is in here because he's scared that his truck's gonna get broken into. But I can't decide what's gonna look good there. Good morning. It is Tuesday and we're gonna start grouting today, which is so exciting. I showed you guys the final product, not the box of wine, yesterday, but I think it's gonna look so much different with the white grout. So I'm really excited.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
So light pressure, circular motion. It looks so different with the grout. I love it. And we still have to clean it, so it'll be less white because we covered up some of the color, but it looks amazing. We finished the backsplash. I'm making a half-baked harvest meal for dinner. It's garlic butter meatballs, and then I put onion, Parmesan rind, and garlic. I think these are gonna be so good. And then served with a creamy risotto. Yummy. Now I'm gonna make myself lunch. Just like maybe a little avocado, tomato, mozzarella, arugula situation. Not sure.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice.
My camera died, but that was the most stunning salad. And Gus is inspecting the backsplash to make sure the craftsmanship is up to his level. So it is 4:08, and I decided when I was looking at that meatball recipe, I also saw another recipe by Half Baked Harvest for her brown butter chocolate chip cookies. So when I went to the store this week, I got ingredients for both of those recipes from her. All of her recipes are so fire, but I think these cookies are gonna be amazing. Stunning. I'm making these, literally all I've done today is cook, I feel like. I'm making these garlic mushrooms. I never make mushrooms whole, but I saw it on Pinterest and it looked really yummy, so I'm gonna try it. And then we have the risotto cooking in all of the meatball juices. This literally looks amazing. I added just some garlic mushrooms that I cooked on the stove. And I cannot wait to see what this tastes like. Yum. It is Wednesday. I am getting a car wash and running some errands. My car is literally filthy from just all the gross weather we've been having. And then I'm gonna pick up some packages at UPS, go to the store. We're making tacos tonight. We make tacos so much. And our friends Courtney and Zach are coming over. They've been in a ton of vlogs, so if you watch, you probably already know them. But I'm really excited. I just realized I hadn't picked up my camera in a second. Right now I am tagging all of my clothes for my closet sale on Saturday. I'm nervous people aren't gonna come, but hopefully there's a good turnout. This is all the stuff I've tagged so far. This box, I feel like you can't really tell how big it is. Maybe, yeah, you can. So it says tall as my bar stool. And this is one of 5 boxes. So I have so much stuff to sell, and I'm trying my best to make everything under 50. So I wish you guys could all come. But this whole pile, nothing in it is over $50. So I'm really proud of myself for that. Zach and Court came over for dinner and to see our new place, and we're having wine and we're gonna eat some tacos. Yay! Cheers! Good morning.
Okay.
Made breakfast quesadillas, but they're not really even breakfasty. They're just leftover taco meat, which was so good, by the way, and cheese.
Wow.
But fryer.
Did you save the sauce?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you make?
Breakfast quesadillas, but they're not breakfast.
Oh my god.
Mm-mm. What's on our agenda today?
Literally nothing. Just Joey's, whatever Joey.
I feel like I've sucked at vlogging the past 2 days because I've been so overwhelmed by this closet sale and just getting all of the items tagged and stuff. I'm still working on tagging stuff. I have, I think, like 2 boxes, 1 box of shoes, 1 box of accessories, and 1 box of clothes to do. I'm mostly dreading the clothes and or the shoes and accessories because I feel like they're gonna be harder to price, just like putting the tags on them and stuff. But I'm just hoping to get that done today so I don't have to worry about it. And I don't know what else we're doing today. Emma, which is Joey's sister, is coming home for her spring break. So I think we're gonna have dinner at Joey's parents tonight. Like, this is why I'm overwhelmed. This is all accessories, shoes, clothes. All these I already tagged. Our condo is a mess. It's fine, I'm fine. Joey and Landon are outside doing a project in the garage. They just crack me up. But this morning I was like, can you guys go do a project because I need peace and quiet. LOL.
What happened? Tell the vlog.
I ran into a glass door. That hurts so bad.
You both know him. Oh. Alright.
Okay, get in the car.
Say the warning signs.
Good morning. Oh, cuddly babies. Cookie. Hi, baby. Pretty sure I've been wearing the same thing every single morning that I've come on the vlog, but it's Friday. We're making bacon. And I think I'm gonna skip my kickboxing class, so love it. To get my nails done with Emma. I just like got ready and did my hair for the first time in probably 2 weeks, and it felt so good. I pretty much have everything ready for the closet sale tomorrow, and I'm getting really, really excited. I just think it's gonna be so fun to meet a bunch of other girls that are similar to me and live in Denver, because I feel like I haven't done the best job of making friends here. Obviously I've made a couple, but yeah, so I'm just honestly mostly excited to meet girls and also get rid of all of these clothes. I just want them out of my life. I'm so ready to downsize, and I think after the sale, I'm going to redo my closet and put in like a closet system, like a California closet situation. I don't know what I want to do to my nails. Probably something boring. Probably like fucking bubble bath, because I'm so basic. Here is the finished product. I did 2 coats of Funny Bunny and 1 coat of Bubble Bath. I went to a different girl that I normally go to, and she did a good job, but I just like my normal gal. Goober, what do you think? Landon's getting a haircut by Emma right now. Please. I think you're gonna do good. It's closet sale day. Literally filled up Joey's entire truck with clothes and racks and everything. And I'm stressed, but I think we'll have time to get all this set up before noon. It's like 8:30 right now. I just like to have extra time. I don't like to feel rushed, so I'm excited. This is the space we're having the closet sale. It's called Meno, forget how you say it, Studio in Denver. And we have so much work to do, but I'm excited to see how it all transforms and looks once we have everything set up. Me and Dawn have shot here multiple times, and it's such a great studio. You can book it on Peerspace. I'm gonna put a link in the description. We're almost done setting up. Still a little chaotic, but it looks so good. So much stuff. Yay. The boys are so excited about their little checkout station. Look at them all. Welcome. Hi. Wow. The video skills are 10 out of 10.
There's the queen and the other queen. Closing minutes, girls are getting nervous. Store is looking ready to go. So you could say today was a success. Just me and my girls hanging out. Another stellar day at the closet
It's your
sale.
vlog now. Literally. You good?
We'll see you next time.
The closet sale was a success.
Popping off.
And now we're gonna get lunch because Joey is...
Because it's 3:30 in the afternoon.
Because we literally haven't eaten and Joey's about to...
Is it lunch or is it dinner?
It's dinner.
Dinner. But then the other company.
What do you have to say about the closet sale?
I love it. I'm honestly, I'm being serious.
I feel like you guys thrived, actually.
I thought it was super, I was like,
Cheers to my little minion helpers. You guys couldn't have done it without ya.
Big day. Big day.